this valedictory address of the two-day workshop on learning statistics, data analysis using SPSS. You have all witnessed the effort of the resource person and your involvement. It's a great output. This output will be benefited by the Department of Microbiology. So this is only because of the cooperation rendered by all the faculty members along with Professor Balagunathan. So even if I want to do any experiments related to GCMS, we immediately make a call to Department Microbiology, and I need that in the data within 1 or 2 days. So immediately he deputed the scholars.
And also I met a couple of people, and I met all the the students, and they were active participants. I would like to appreciate. I hope the session was useful, and don't stop it. Don't stop it. If you stop it, the next day, whatever you learnt, day by day, things will be vanished or evaporated. Okay, so keep practicing.
I am Magilan from Department of Environmental Science. First, I am just wondering whether the resource person is from Environmental Science Department or Biostatistics Department, because he was very much informative and he was well known in statistics. I am just wondering by seeing you, sir.
Biostat is very difficult. We cannot learn and quickly. Sir, Kasim Arivatu sir is take easy and give clarifications.
I would like to congratulate Department of Microbiology to conduct such a wonderful workshop, and I think this workshop is very useful for all the students and research scholars, especially research scholars, I think. And I think the resource person handled this topic theoretically and practically very well.
Ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening to one and all present here. It gives me an immense pleasure to deliver the vote of thanks of this two-day workshop on learning statistics and data analysis using SPSS to all dignitaries assembled here. My foremost thanks to the Lord Almighty for His blessings to conduct this workshop in good health.